This video is all about the best cleaning hacks from TikTok.
I'm Sophia Lee. I'm a recent college graduate who is obsessed with turning her first apartment into a home. I'm taking you along with me and showing you my best decorating ideas, organization tips, and cleaning hacks so that you can make your apartment look Pinterest perfect while sticking to a budget. I'm here to help you turn your apartment into a place you will love.
Okay, so I am obsessed with cleaning hacks. Like, I love finding different hacks to make cleaning easier or to really deep clean. And TikTok has surprisingly given me so many good ideas. And just like beyond the good ideas, it's kind of reminded me on some things that I forgot about. And these are the cleaning hacks that like I've actually used from TikTok and continue to use over and over again. And I just think that they're really, really good things to know for cleaning. The first cleaning hack that I learned from TikTok is stripping your clothing. And I have done this so many times, and every single time it like amazes me. I don't even understand how it works, but I've done it on white clothes, so like, and color does come out of it, so I know it does work, or at least something happens with it. I don't know. It's just really cool. But it's a process. So I have Instagram stories where I show you how to do it. So I'm just gonna insert these here, and it gives you the exact measurements and how to do it. But strip your clothes. It is so cool. And I got some questions. I do strip my Lululemon clothing, and they are fine. If you don't feel comfortable doing it, don't strip that. But I've stripped my towels, my sheets, my workout gear, my boyfriend's clothing, which was disgusting. I've stripped all types of stuff, and it's so cool. You're gonna need, well, for this in general, you're gonna need borax, Tide, and baking soda. And I feel like this should all be available now. In the like when I did this back in the day, during when we were all like really locked inside our houses, you could not find this borax anywhere. Ben had to go like 500 stores to find this for me, which was so nice. Now I feel like it's at any grocery store. So what you do is you're gonna put half a cup of detergent in your tub, and then a 1/4 cup of borax and baking soda, and you just like mix it all around. And then once it's mixed, I'm gonna throw these clothes in there and give it another mix. Okay, now I'm adding the sheets in there, and I'll give it another good mix, and my duvet cover. And then I'm gonna mix it and then let it sit in the tub for literally the rest of the day. And we'll see if in a few hours it's brown. I have to say, the one I did before is a little more accurate because that was like fully clean clothes. This isn't clean clothes. This is like my towels that I just took off of my bed. So, yeah, but the picture that I posted on Instagram before, those were like actually clean. So I feel like this does work. Once this sits and once I get it all wet and like the water turns brown and stuff, hopefully if we did this right, then you pop it in the washing machine anyways and like rewash it and dry it. So yeah, but it'll be interesting to see if these still turn brown. I don't know. I just got home, so let's go see what this looks like. Okay, so it's obviously white, so it's not as dark, but that is still, there is no filter on this. So that's still like, you can't see the bottom of the tub. Okay, now I'm gonna take these out of the tub and then put them in the washing machine and then dry it like normal, and hopefully they're clean. Cleaner than ever. The second hack that I learned from TikTok, and well, okay, technically I knew this a while ago, but I completely forgot about it, so TikTok reminded me, is how to clean your metal sink. And I'm in an apartment, a lot of places, like whether you're in an apartment or a house, have metal sinks, and this will make my sink look so much cleaner, and it's really easy to do with really cheap ingredients. So what you need is you need some baking soda. Baking soda is like crazy cheap. And you should get like just a big bag of it. I should get a big bag of it. I don't know why I haven't gotten a big bag of it yet, because I use it. You can use it in just like so many different places. And then you will use some distilled white vinegar, and to make it easier on myself, I put it in a spray bottle like this. So all you do is you sprinkle some baking soda all around your sink, and I should probably use a spoon for this. Let's see. Okay. And then you just, sprinkle it all in there. Just like that. The sides are the hardest for me to get to, so sometimes the sides aren't perfect, but usually it's not the sides that really need the cleaning. And I'll just bring it back. Okay, this side's like really dirty. We're on the end of its life for this box. Okay, I got the new box. So we're really in business now. But I just sprinkle this all around, just like that. And then, okay, usually I'm more precise with it, but for the time's sake of this video, you take a sponge, and this sponge is disgusting and so dirty. I had to clean a pan that had burn marks on it. Wait, another random hack? Okay, sorry, I'm like jumping all around here, but throw these in your dishwasher and it will disinfect it and make it look clean. Anyways, you want to get a sponge that is not soaking wet but kind of wet, and then you go into your sink and you rub it all around, and the baking soda basically acts as like an exfoliant and helps get all of the gunk and grime out. And you're going to put a little bit of muscle into it, but you can see how like it's turning in like some of the areas, like it's turning browner because you can, like, it's from the dirt. And you just keep going like this until it is fully wiped. Okay, the next thing you do is take some vinegar, and I think I already said this, but put it in a spray bottle and it will use a lot less of your vinegar. And then you spray it all over that, and my bottle is. Okay, and then it does like a chemical reaction, and extra, you can hear it. It smells horrible, but it like almost gives it an extra exfoliating. I feel like this is like we're talking about your face here. And it just works really well. And then you can just go in and spray some down the drain, because that's where it really gets it good. But then you just rinse it out with water and your sink will be sparkling clean. Okay, this next cleaning hack is like insane and was mind-boggling to me. I don't know how I never knew this was a thing, but I just learned it, and I'm like a germ freak, so I'm putting on gloves. But you can take your lid off of the toilet, which is like insane. So I don't know why I think this is so cool, but I really do. And then you just turn these, and like mine says like locked, unlocked. And then you just pull it off like that, and it makes it so much easier to clean, and you can really get in there. And I'm just amazed by this cleaning hack. I never knew it existed. This fourth cleaning hack is to eliminate fingerprints on your stainless steel appliances for up to 2 weeks. So all you need is some WD-40. You can buy this at Target, Home Depot, wherever you want to buy it from. And then I already sprayed that side, but then you just spray like this, and you get a microfiber cloth, and you just wipe it down all over your stainless steel appliances, and it will eliminate any stains or fingerprints from getting on your appliances for 2 weeks. Okay, here's a little test for you. Finger, nothing. It's really cool. Okay, my next cleaning hack has to do with your Swiffer, and I've been a long time user of a Swiffer for a long time, and it would always drive me crazy how these would disappear so quickly, and then they're really expensive to refill. So when I found on TikTok that you could take this cap off and then refill it with whatever cleaner you wanted, I was amazed. Just like all these hacks, I was amazed. So all you need to do is heat up some water, and I just heated it up in like my tea kettle, and then you dump this in. So like I'm sure if you're dumping it in, there'll be nothing in it. So it'll be empty. And you put it in, so like I took my hot water from my tea kettle, put it in a mug, put this in a mug, and I let it in there for like 10 seconds. And I think I had to do 2 sets of 10 seconds. And then that will like allow you to open this up, and you can put whatever else you want in it. And so we refill this all the time. My favorite floor cleaner is this Murphy's oil soap, and I think it's just because what my mom used, so the smell is nostalgic for me. And so I'll just do a little bit of this with some water in it, and this has lasted us so much longer than this would. So that's just a little hack on how to save some money with your Swiffer. Okay, this next cleaning hack is how to clean your disposal. And a lot of the cleaning hacks on TikTok say for you to put the ice in here with like hot water, and then, or with no water, and then you put this hot water in there and it'll like explode up, but I can't put anything in there. So this is like another TikTok hack that I saw. And what you do is you don't turn your water on. You put the ice down the drain like that, and then you stick the lemons in there, and you put the disposal on, and I'll save your ears so we won't actually run it right now. But then the ice will like clear any food in it and get that clean, and then it will also sharpen your blades. And the lemon, it just makes it smell really, really good. And I don't always use fresh lemons, like let's be honest, I don't always have fresh lemons on hand. So I'll either use lemon oil extract, I think it's called, or like whatever you put in a diffuser, or I'll just use some lemon juice that like comes in a can that I keep in my fridge. So that is how to easily clean your sink. And the last TikTok cleaning hack that I use all the time is this is how I make my bathroom smell extra good. So I get a cotton ball, and then I get some essential oil, and you just put a little of the essential oil, whatever scent you like best, on the cotton ball, and you throw it. I totally missed. You throw it in the trash, and then it will keep your bathroom smelling really, really good and fresh, and just your trash will just smell a lot better. So that wraps up this video on the best cleaning hacks that I have found on TikTok, and I really do use these all of the time. There's a lot of hacks that I find on TikTok that are really cool, but like you're just never really gonna use them, and these are the ones that I continue coming back to and recommend that you try. For more cleaning hacks, apartment decorating, and organization tips, follow me on Instagram at @BySophiaLee and subscribe to my channel.